All right, guys, we are down at the Caragan Festival down here in Mabalacat City, 2019 festival. They do this festival every year. They had a lot of things going on this month, but it seems like from the 16th, I think, to the 22nd, they got a lot more going on throughout the whole week. We're down here this tonight. I know they do have like dancing competitions and things like that, but that's not tonight. I think tonight they're just going to crown like a king and queen. Just a nice festival down here. Nice breeze out tonight. Looks like a bunch of food. But that's where we're at. You can see over here they got the stage all set up. I think over here is where they're going to, you know, do the contest. And we'll come up here later on and check it out. But hello. Got all these guys here. I think these guys are all the workers here. But it's pretty cool looking here. Got all these guys here. We'll take a stroll down. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. You guys all workers? Workers. These are all the workers. Here they are, very friendly. Hello, hello. Hello, kids. Hi, kids. Daddy. All right, there they are. This is a pretty cool thing right here. This is, I don't know what this area is here. I know there's housing back in here. I've been back in here a couple times. Just kind of drove back in here. I thought it was just pretty neat. But they have this statue thing going on here, which I think is pretty neat. It's sad because, you know what, it doesn't look like they're maintaining it. Things are falling apart. But anyways, that's where we're at this evening. We're up here, we're checking it out. And I think we're gonna have a good time up here. And like I said, this festival is going on, I think, for the whole week. Hang on, got some more workers for the whole week. So we'll definitely be back up here to check a more thing. Oh, got some more workers. Hi guys.
How are you, my brother?
Good, how are you? All right. This is the area they're holding it in, Severa. This is Severa area here. It's a housing development back in there. Don't know much about it, but that's where it is. It's in the area here. That's where they're holding the festival. All up and through here. Just taking a stroll outside. Looks like they got a bunch of ukai set up, right? Look.
Yeah.
Ukais. Ukai. Hi. This is outside the area. Main event is down in that area, down in there. We're just out here strolling around. Huh?
Comes to clothes, I'm always missing.
Yeah. These people are probably set up at the at a lot of the like markets throughout the week, you know.
Yeah.
And then they just come down here because they know there's going to be a festival down here. Both sides of the road here.
Like they rent this boat for like stone for like a week or 2 weeks like that.
Yeah.
Salad, 5, 10, 15, 20.
They even have a little market set up here. Everybody's selling their fruits, their vegetables, dry fish. What's that, look?
There's the chicken,
Oh, chicken skin. I like chicken skin. Yeah, masarap for sure. Right there. Dollar store. All your dollar store stuff set up. What is this slut? Lechon kawali. Eggs. Eggs. Fish. Get your fish. Milk fish. Food, food, and more food is what it looks like. Seems like every stall is just selling food or juices. So it's a food festival too. That's all right. Said it smells good. Some barbecue going on here. Hot mommy. There's a hot mommy. Hot mommy special. Food fusion. Yep. Food fusion. That's what's in this little area here. How'd you drink? Look, did you get anything? No, did you buy any clothes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, bought some clothes. Kind of festival, look, buys clothes. Okay. The okay store. Now I gotta find Lut. I left her up with the clothes. I said I was gonna go around and start filming. Just all food vendors through here. Everything looks good. I'll be stopping at one of these to eat something. Maybe shawarma. That shawarma looks good. I love shawarma. Maybe some. Hello, sir. Give me some shawarma later on. Everything smells so good too. Buy one, take one, get two. Lemonade and juice. More kind of shawarma. Buttered corn. I love buttered corn. That's good stuff. More, a lot of shawarma joints. There's another shawarma. He doesn't have his going. Yeah, it's early. I gotta find Lit. There's another shawarma. A lot of shawarma. What's that?
That's palame.
Palame. Palame. Just kind of waiting for the beauty pageant to start. And it's not very full. Figured it'd be a lot fuller than this. First time ever at this festival. Food, food, and more food. Hey, you can see it's not that full. I think it's right around, I don't know, almost 7 o'clock. Thursday is the time to be here when they have the dance festival. We'll be up on Thursday to check that out for sure. For sure. Nighttime stroll. Hey, you see it's empty. And it's Saturday night too. might take one more stroll through here. We're leaving here. That, you know what? Here's the thing with beauty pageants here in the Philippines. They all beauty pageants here. They all think they're competing for Miss Universe, right? Yeah. So they have these huge, you know, things starting the beginning, and you know they do all these, you know, introductions of the panel and introduction of the judges and special guests, and I ain't into all that. And I just want to see the beauty pageant, right, Lut?
And the only one thing also, be honest, and honestly, they are all not on the time all the time.
Yeah, you know, it's supposed to start at 7, and it didn't even start till 8:30, and they have this huge introduction and everything. And I guess if you're into all that, you know, all right, man, I just wanted to see the beauty pageant. That's all I wanted to see.
Sleepy.
Huh?
I'm already sleepy.
Sleepy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm tired. I'm sleepy.
Like, we've been there because they said the advertisement said it's 7 o'clock, so we've been here early.
Yeah.
Because I forgot, oh my God, I'm here in the Philippines.
Yeah, we forgot we were in the Philippines. 7 o'clock means 8:30, 9 o'clock. But yeah, I mean, we sat there for a good hour and a half, had a nice seat, and then all these so-called professional photographers, they just get in your way, you know. It's like they don't show anybody any respect. Let's face it, people do that. You know, they don't care. They don't care if people have been there for a while. You know, they got a camera in hand. They think they're these big professional photographers. They jump in front of you. They jump in front of you, and they don't care about if they're blocking your way. And I find that completely ignorant. I'm sorry. You know, tell me if I don't like it, leave. But you know what? It's called respect. And that's what I don't like.
Yeah, the only one thing in this pageant, it kind of like I don't really like it to finish it because it's so unorganized.
Yeah, it is unorganized. But yeah, you know what, I don't know. Maybe I was raised to respect others. Well, I was raised to respect others, and you know, when somebody just, you know, they just get in your way. You know, they don't respect the fact that their people are wanting to see behind them. I mean, we had people with families that were here, right? Look, there were people with families whose daughters were competing and stuff, and they had cameras, and I felt bad for them because they couldn't even film because these so-called professional photographers, and there was probably like 15 or 20 of them running around. You know, look at me, I got, you know, an expensive camera that probably isn't even mine. It's probably the college or whatever that I go to. You know, I don't know. Yeah, I'm a little upset, disappointed. Yeah, more like disappointed. But hey, what do you expect? So, we're going to take a stroll around here one more time. You know, at least here you get respect. People will, you know, show a little respect to you here. They won't jump in front of you. There's a saying, only in the Philippines. And honest to God, when you come here, spend enough time here, you will know exactly what that saying is. Only in the Philippines. Right, Lut? Yeah. You look at things and just shake your head and just go, only in the Philippines. You look at something that does not make any sense. Your mind cannot wrap your mind can't wrap a logical thinking behind it. And it's like, only in the Philippines. Yeah, well. But we will definitely be up here for the dance. I don't know about the competition on stage, but when they go through the streets, because they go through the streets and they do like a parade through the streets and everything, I will be here for that. I will be checking that out. So yeah, that's kind of
also like 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah.
So I can do that.
Yeah, it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. They parade through the streets here and stuff. So anyways, guys, we're gonna wrap this one up. We're gonna wrap this one up for you know, from the, what do we call it, the unorganized beauty pageant, I guess you could call it, or the beauty pageant with all the professional photographers that stand in the view path of everybody. So anything to say, Lud? Anything to say?
That's all. See you next time.
That's it, guys.